Dear engineers and viewer, welcome to my channel. My channel name Shishi Learning Investment Goal. Today I discuss about asphalt for flexible pavement road work. So road work is very important for our society. If no connectivity in our society, there is nothing development. As I know, so road work is very important for every modern society. If you need to go somewhere, you must have a road, and this road must be carpet road or pavement road is good enough for social use. Okay, so we discuss about today bitumen only. Bitumen asphaltic base layer and asphaltic wiring course. Today I discuss this video. I discuss only asphaltic base course. Okay, there is so many type, subgrade, subsoil. This part is below asphaltic course. So this part I don't want to discuss now. So we proceed to next slide. Here is sub base material, also sub base material, that means below bitumen layer is sub base material type like this. So this part also I don't want to say anything today. All bitumen shall be petroleum bitumen, 60 to 70% penetration grade. No mineral matter other than that naturally contained, such as bitumen, shall be present. The bitumen shall be homogeneous, free from water, and shall not foam when heated 175 degrees. This is very important part. For this bitumen shall be comply to the requirement of table number 7. So table 7 e ki bolche? So we try to understand this material, this bitumen material shall be homogeneous and free from water, and shall not be heated more than, shall not be foam shall not be foam at 175 degrees centigrade. Although meaning 175 degrees centigrade when you heated 175 centigrade, this bitumen should not be form as foam. So we see the next slide. Then what is the comply table 10.6? Table 10.6 is very not so complicated. Here some observation. Okay, penetration at 25 degree, flash point, specific gravity, or then loose on heating. Okay, ductility. So there is some criteria we should follow for mixed design specimen. Marshall design criteria here have some identical rule. We can follow this rule. ASTM D1559, we follow this rule here in Singapore. So 10.7 mixed design. So mixed design is W3B and B1. So today my video will be B1 base course. So base course normally thickness 150 to 100 millimeter. Then maximum size of aggregate 35 mm, but we don't allow 35 mm. So we try to have start from 25. Okay, 35 mm we allow maximum size of aggregate for base course. For B1 course, pavement B1 course, this base course. So ship passing all must be passing 37.5 অর্থাৎ 100% passing. So maximum size we allow 35 millimeter এবং minimum okay 75 micrometer 3 to 8 micrometer. Okay, so this soluble bitumen 60 to 70 penetration grade by weight total mix. So for minimum 4.5, for maximum 5.5. Here we can see some production. When all this thing is completed, road is ready for bitumen. say carpeting work, then we should follow at side. That part mixed design part is plant side, or that where people are mixing everything and ready for you. So this is the site control. When ready mix B1 course arrive at site. So what how to control our site this quality. So this quality, this mixing temperature shall not be higher than 175 degrees centigrade. Or it means when this bitumen arrive at site, we check the temperature and must see it's not be higher than 175 degrees centigrade. So we should not allow laying temperature at the laying temperature at the time of spreading not lower than 140 degrees centigrade. Or it means when we lower, when the unloading this bitumen from truck, when this unloading bitumen from truck, when we unloading this time, this temperature must be 140 degrees centigrade unloading time. Then temperature before start compaction shall not be lower than. So what we understand, the after carpeting this layer temperature should be 120 degree centigrade. So our maximum average, so in between 140 degree centigrade to 120 degree centigrade, in average 130. Any time we should not allow less than 130 degree centigrade. If less than 130 degree centigrade, we should reject this ready mix flexible pavement, that means B1 course. So these three criteria we should maintain at site. This temperature control, very important. So sometime rain start at site, we should stop this work. We should remember here is some typical drawing. Our basement coat asphaltic base course B1. Then top is wiring course. So today I talk about this part only. This part we see here in Singapore Expressway. They use 120 mm of base course. Also base course they use 120 mm. Asphaltic wiring course is 50 mm. So that is the typical drawing in Singapore. They all over Singapore we use. Maybe other country also use, because same specification, ASTM standard. This is some road plan. Recently we did all the way flexible pavement. This highlighted area, this one is for rigid pavement. For designated area, other all flexible pavement. So next you will see video. Wait for this video. Then I will do next video for wiring course W3B. So you should enjoy that one also. Now you must see this video on site actual work. Thank you. So you can see now it takes this temperature 137 degree, that one the compactor. So after laying the base course, this compactor will be available here for compaction. See maneuver, this is one is 12 ton, this one is 8 ton. See temperature show here 133 after laying. This one should not be less than 120. We get 133 is very nice. See placing of B1 course very nicely by machine. So no hard job is there. Only operating nicely is okay. front side big truck pouring this asphaltic base course inside this machine distributed uniformly. After that we do compacting by 10 ton 12 ton roller. It look like so easy, but temperature is very hot, 130 degrees base course temperature, and inside machine this bitumen temperature 140 degree. So we continue our work. You can see people working very hard. So after finishing some snapshot we take, raining start. You see, after laying the base course, rain come. Then how this rain affect it? This raindrop immediately go as vapor, because our base course temperature 140 degrees centigrade. So immediately make it vapor. So after the base course we cleaning the road. Also they'll make it leveling. For that compactor can be compact very nicely in part, so that we cannot see any joint. You can see this roller compacting very well. Then this roller itself tire inside have water, water dripping around the steel tire. So compacting very nicely. Thanks for watching.